Can you guys hear me? Check, check, check. Can you hear me? Check, check, check. Can you guys hear me? Check, check, you can hear me. You smug bastards. You can hear me. Check, check, check. Can you guys hear me? Check, check, check. You smug bastards. Check, check, check. Can you guys hear me? Check, check, check. You smug bastards. Check, check, check. Can you guys hear me? Check, check, check. You smug bastards. Check, check, check. What's going on, guys? I'm just mocking these idiots in here. Again. Just mocking these idiots in that chat room, that Forex Leah chat room, for being the idiots they are. Learn how to trade proper. Come to this live stream, you'll learn how to trade proper. Alright, so, fucking idiots in there. I mean, honestly, fucking idiots. But what do? They are fucking idiots in there. Get the epic pin out here. We'll show these idiots how to trade. We'll show these idiots how to trade. Let's see, ignore that. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour might be a downtrend, maybe. The daily is an uptrend, and the way that you see that it's an uptrend is by circling right here to right here is an uptrend. You don't have to be a genius to understand that. Only if you're a moron that trades in that Forex Leah chat room do you not understand that. That circle to the left. That circle to the left is lower than the circle to the right, which means that's an uptrend. But if you're in the Forex Leah chat room, then you think it's a downtrend because you're a dumbass. So the weekly, also an uptrend. Pretty simple. Again, unless you're in the Forex Leah chat room and you're a dumbass. Weekly is also an uptrend. Unless you're in the Forex Leah chat room and you're a dumbass. Pretty simple, right? Not complicated. And then the monthly is also an uptrend. Again, unless you're in the Forex Leah chat room and you're a moron. So unless you're a moron, you listen to those people. All right, so we already established that it's an uptrend on the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. unless you're a moron. All right. So obviously you're going to look for dips to buy on gold. Look for dips to buy because it is a extremely high uptrend. Okay. But again, when you're stupid, you're morons, and you listen to idiots in there, then you, I mean, it's just dumb. Those people in there are so fucking dumb. Okay, so obviously 1848 was that key level that it bounced off yesterday. I'm not going to buy it right now. I'm going to wait for some rejection to show up. There's some areas, key levels of support. That 1848 was one of, right here where it just kind of went down below is one right there. And then you have some down in here. So somewhere when I get this rejection, I will definitely be looking for a buy on gold. Because again, it is an uptrend. And is that hard? Is that hard to understand? But do you know why they're roasting me? Because they're fucking morons. Do you know why they're roasting me? Because they're fucking morons. That's why they're roasting me. Because they think they have a fucking clue what they're talking about. They're roasting me. They're not really roasting me because they're dumb. But they just said it's, I mean, I just explained it. The daily chart is an uptrend, the weekly chart is an uptrend, and the monthly chart is an uptrend. I just explained it. But when you're looking at a pussy 5-minute chart like they do on that clown show, then you might think that it is a downtrend. But every higher time frame on gold is an uptrend. And if you knew how to read a fucking chart, you would understand that. But when they don't know how to read a fucking chart, they don't understand that. And I really don't care if people, dumb fucks in a YouTube stream are roasting me because they're dumb. They're losing fucking traders. Who the fuck cares what they think? So, I'm showing you live trades in a live account. They will never do that. So Uriah Dowell, they can just shut the fuck up. Who fucking cares what they think? They're sheep. They're lemons. Who fucking cares what they think? They're morons. They're just fucking morons, man. Who the fuck cares what they think? Every higher time frame on gold is an uptrend. So what we're looking for is we're looking for possibilities to buy, but I don't buy unless I have a 1-hour candle close with a rejection candle. So being that where I live right now, it's 7:18 at night, I'm not going to take a trade for another 42 minutes and it would have to give me my rejection candle. So I wouldn't take a buy unless I get my rejection candle. But again, who the fuck cares what they think? They're idiots. They're losers. Who the fuck cares? Well, I don't, and again, I appreciate you saying that. I appreciate you saying Uriah, but again, I could care the fuck less if I'm appreciated too. I don't give a damn if I'm appreciated. Who cares if I'm appreciated? I appreciate you saying that, but I don't do this because I want to feel appreciated. I do this to just laugh at people because they're stupid. I don't care if I'm appreciated. I could care less about anyone's opinion of me. I really could care less because they're not relevant in my life. Like we always say, I'm not relevant in your life. You're not relevant in my life. You're relevant to the people that you come in contact with face to face on a daily basis, but you're not relevant to me. And I'm not relevant to you, nor should I be. I don't know you from Adam. I'm just some schmuck on the internet, right? I'm not relevant to you. You're not relevant to me. So I could give two shits what those people think. But they're idiots. And I always tell them, like, why are people in this room making trade calls when you can't show a history of success at all? And you're making trade calls. Why? Why are people paying attention to people that have no fucking clue what they're doing? That's what I always ask too, but whatever. Whatever. To each their own, I guess. But I could care less if I'm liked. I could care less if I'm respected. I could care less if I'm anything. I don't care. Okay, 90% of traders lose, so there's 124 people in that chat room, which means 90% of those people are utter fucking losers. Okay, so who cares what they say? They do. They want to sound good. They do. And then you had a guy in there that said he was trading 50 to 100 standard lots. If you're trading 50 to 100 standard lots, you're not spending any time in some fucking loser gold chat room on YouTube. If you're trading 50 to 100 standard lots, you are on your yacht banging bikini girls. Okay, let's make sure we understand that. If you're trading 50 to 100 standard lots and you're successful at it, you are not on YouTube, on a loser random YouTube stream. You are on your yacht banging bikini girls. Okay? Let's just be honest. There's people in there saying, I'm trading 50 to 100 standard lots. No, you're not. Stop fucking lying. You're full of crap. You are full of shit. Your shit stinks, and so do you. I don't trade 50 to 100 standard lots. If I traded 50 to 100 standard lots and traded the way I trade right now, you would never see my ass on social media at all. You would never see me at all. You would never see me at all if I was trading 50 to 100 standard lots and I was doing the kind of pips I do now. You would never see me on social media, ever. But we're supposed to believe that people in there are doing 50 to 100 standard lots. Use your head, people. Use your head. Be smart. Be smart. Don't listen to people. I'll be like 10 minutes, then you can have it. Okay. I know. 10 more minutes, bud. It's my son coming in. They want the. I'm in my office that's on the side of my house, and they want the office computers. It's hilarious. It's absolutely hilarious what kind of a joke these people are. But if I were doing gold, I would be looking to buy dips on gold. Buy dips on gold. Look to buy dips, obviously around major support areas. I'd be looking to buy dips on gold. And the pattern that I look for is this right here. That would be a perfect buy pattern right there. A tail longer than the body of the candle with no wick at the top. At the close of a 1 hour candle, that would be my perfect buy candle. I'd be looking for that kind of candle at the close of a 1 hour candle with that pattern on it right there. And if I get it, I'm buying. What's going on, man? How are you? Okay. That pattern is right 85% of the time, 80 to 85% of the time, no matter what time frame, no matter what pair, currencies, stonks, crypto, anything. That pattern that I circled, that candle with the tail at the bottom of the body of the candle, with no wick at the top, at the close of the 1 hour candle, you buy at the opening of the next 1 hour candle. That will be right 85% of the time. Any pair, any time frame, anything. And don't take my word for it. I don't want you to take my word for it. I'm just some schmuck on the internet, right? Go back test the motherfucker. It works on the sell side. The sell side is the opposite. It's a wick at the top, longer than the body of the candle with no tail. But again, don't take my word for it. Back test it. Back test it. It works 85% of the time, any time frame, any pair. Does it win all the time? No, of course not. Does any system win all the time? No. And anyone who tells you their system wins 100% of the time are full of shit. Okay, there is no system at all that wins 100% of the time. No fucking system in the world wins 100% of the time. Anyone who tells you that is full of shit. Okay, you can see I switched my chart over to a US 30 sell. You can see the US 30 sell I took way up there that I'm up 200 something points on. And it was because of that same candle, that 1 hour candle that had a wick at the top of the body of the candle, longer than the body of the candle right there. And I sold it. Look at it now. I sold it at what? 33,425, and it's at 33,180. It works. The pattern works on any pair, any time frame. It does not matter. It'll be 85%. Some weeks maybe it'll be a little better, some weeks it'll be a little less. But over the long run, that pattern will work 85% of the time. So the question is that I always ask when I do these streams, Lissy, Mac, people that are new here, if you know you're going to be right 80 to 85% of the time, do you take the trade? If you know you're going to be right 80 to 85% of the time, do you take the trade? Do you take the trade if you know you're going to be right? I usually trade gold, oil, US 30, pound yen, and pound Aussie. But as you can see, this is a live account. This is a live account with live trades in it because I'm not a pussy, all right? Anyone who hides behind TradingView, anyone that hides behind TradingView when they live stream on YouTube is a pussy. If you can't show live terminal with live trades you're in when you're streaming, you're a pussy. Okay? If you're as good as you say you are, like most of these YouTube streamers say they are, and you hide behind TradingView, you're a pussy. If you're that good, why not show it? Why not show your live terminal, right? If you're that good at it, show a live terminal with live trades you're in. But they don't because they're a pussy. I'm in buys on gold on a different account. I'm not in buys on gold in this account, but I'm in buys on gold on several different accounts, just not this one. Yeah, they're on TradingView because they're pussies. Let's just call it what it is. They're pussies. And you can tell them I said that, every single one of them. If you can't show a live terminal, people are like, well, how do we know yours is live? You want to see that mine's live? Do you need to see that this account's live? There it is right there. What does that say up there when it goes, because mine's a curved screen, so I've got to move the screen a little bit. What does that show right there? What does that show on the top right? What does that show on the top right? What does it say? What does it say on the top right? Anybody? Yep. Oh, wow. Real markets all day. Yep. Weird. So again, if they can't show you that, then they're a pussy. Anyone who can't do that, you have this one guy in here. I can't even remember his name. Big Zora that I've been going after a little bit. They're all fucking clowns. Okay. And you can tell them when you go back in there that I told them they're all clowns. I'm not afraid to show my live shit, but they're afraid to show their live shit because they're pussies. Period. End of story. All right, I'm going to take off, guys. I want to do this just to show you guys who the fucking boss is. So Uri, Dal, and all you people that came in from that YouTube stream, go over and let those people know who the fucking boss is because it's not them. I'm the fucking boss. All right? But I'm going to take off. I'll probably do my live stream in the morning during New York session, but if you haven't liked and subscribed, I don't give a damn. You don't have to like and subscribe. I don't do this because of that. I could give two flying fucks whether you like and subscribe. Not why I do this. I do this to make fun of people. So we'll see you guys all. Last thoughts on gold. Buy dips. Buy dips. That's my last thought on gold. Buy dips.